Hi guys. So this is for the virtual only students. If you're in class, feel free to watch it, but we're gonna do all this in class. So welcome to class. It's our first day. Super exciting. So I want to point out a few things that you guys will need access to every single day and kind of the flow of Canvas, how we're gonna use it in this class. So for today, any day, I guess I should say. So under the modules, you will find everything organized by units. So if you haven't already gone through this, and mine looks a little bit different than yours because I have the teacher view and you have the student view, but you'll see all these things coming up, okay? So at the very top, we have class information. That's just like the welcome video, stuff about me, the syllabus, and then this right here is pretty important. So if you have questions specific to this class, ask them here. This is a discussion. It's ongoing. I'll check it probably every day. If you want to go on there and just kind of like browse through questions, and that's the thing, everybody sees all the questions. So if it's something personal or private, please do not post it in the discussion board. Message me personally. But if you get on here, there might be questions about when is this due or how do you do X, Y, or Z. If you know the answer, go ahead and reply. It's a community board for everyone to use. I haven't published it yet, but the interactive periodic table is going to be here as well. We won't really need it for a couple weeks probably, but that's a pretty good tool to have. So moving forward, beneath that, you will find your unit modules. So unit 1 is going to be about scientific measurement and calculations. So it's going to be a lot of reviewing that basic math that you have probably forgotten since physical science, because that was probably 2 or 3 years ago at this point. So we'll start out with sig fig, scientific notation, accuracy versus precision, what that means as far as taking accurate measurements, and how that affects the numbers that you're going to use in calculations. Also go over density, basic chemical and physical properties, all of that good stuff. So we're getting the basics out of the way at first. So I know you guys have been out of school for almost 6 months now. So we're going to start a little bit easy the first probably 2 weeks before we really get into anything here. So just refreshers basically. Underneath each unit, we're going to have pages that are divided up by the day. So this is especially important for you virtual kids. If you aren't sure what day we're on, I'm going to have the dates there. This will be up so you can kind of work at your own pace. Whatever I have posted already should be good to go. And I'll post things as we go. I can't guarantee I'll be more than a couple days ahead. I may be. We'll see how it goes. So if you guys get in here and you click on that page, it will bring you here. Now, this is important because you guys are probably mostly working on iPads. If you're on a computer, the formatting for this will look beautiful. It'll look just like mine. If you're on an iPad, you need to access Canvas through Google Chrome. Okay, so instead of using the app for Canvas, you need to just get on like the Chrome browser and go to Canvas through there. That way the formatting from all of your classes is going to show up. If you use the Canvas app, it can be a little glitchy and like clunky. Even our IT person suggests that we tell you guys to use it from Chrome. So that's just how I would do it. So this is all organized. And this is how it should be every day. There may be additional tabs on here if we're doing something special, but this is what you should see pretty much every day. So we'll have our agenda. And today's video is probably a little longer than most for like what we're doing intro, but I just want to get you guys on the right path before we start. So our agenda for our very first day, basically just introductions. We're going to go through some things. Make sure you watch the intro video. There's like the whole page about like me and my background. So if you want to know any of that stuff, it's there. But what we're doing for class specifically, we're going to review the syllabus, which you can find here. It's actually under the assignment because you'll have to open it up and read it and then acknowledge that you've read it and understand and agree to it. We're going to discuss lab safety. That's also part of the syllabus. It's on the second page of the syllabus. You'll see that. So please read through that. Even though you're not in class, we will do some at-home labs, and you do need to know how to be safe. We are going to explore Canvas a little bit. I've pretty much have shown you that already, but Cami is the tool that we're going to use this year in this class. You may have used it in other classes this year. I'm not sure what everybody's doing, but it's just basically like a PDF editor. It's actually really awesome. So the assignment will take you through that. You just click on the assignment. It opens up Cami in another window. It's a PDF editor. You have all of these options. You can like insert photos and videos. You can leave comments. You can leave an audio message. You can write on it with a stylus, which I highly recommend getting a stylus. You don't have to, but I would really recommend it. It will be very useful for writing on these PDFs throughout the year. And then you can submit it directly from there, and that's all you have to do. So once you submit it from Cami, and there's like a little button in the top corner, it goes directly to Canvas, to me, to get turned in, and then it saves a copy for you in your drive. So you can go back in and look at it again. It really makes life easy. So that way we don't have to worry about like trying to print stuff off at home or whatever. So if that is a problem with you or a problem for you for any reason, please let me know. So if you have like a special exception or a special situation that is just exceedingly difficult or impossible for you to use, please let me know and we'll figure out a solution. So after we do that, so read through your syllabus, read through the safety contract, sign it. It's an assignment. You'll see it. I'll post a video of the gummy bear sacrifice that we're going to do. You want to do your Cami assignment. And then we're going to make lab hazard posters. So the idea is just that you guys really pick one or two to focus on. We'll share them with everyone at the end so that everybody can kind of see, different scenarios we need to watch out for in the lab. I will assign you a number to use on that, so you'll see that when we get to the assignment. And then at the end of every day, we're going to do exit questions. So the exit questions are going to link you to a Google form. I am taking these for right now as just participation points. So you do need to complete them, even if you missed class that day, whatever. You do need to do the exit questions, so you'll get a couple of points every day for doing that. But please be honest in it. That's why I'm using it as participation points. Don't ask your friends what they put down just so you have the right answer, unless they're explaining it to you. Because the exit questions are to help me know what you still need help with. So if you got through a whole lesson, let's say we're doing nomenclature, we're naming chemical solutions, and you have no idea what's going on, but you don't want to look bad, so you ask your friend Stephanie, like, what are the questions, like, what are the answers? Please don't do that. Just give me your honest answers. If you completely don't know what the answer is, then I know you need help. That's really important. So beyond that, I know I'm just kind of like jabbering at this point, but that's kind of like what the days will look like for you. So you'll come here, get on the agenda, read what you need to do. The second tab, so if you click on the second tab, is going to be the lesson. So if we are doing notes that day, I'll have a video with the notes of me speaking and like explaining things. I'll have problems being worked out on the screen, so that's all part of that video. I'll also embed just the slides, because I know some people don't want to watch a whole video to go back to specific pieces. So that'll be there. So your lesson, this is like your information input, is going to be here on this tab. Any resources that I give out will be here. The next tab is going to be the assignment. So whatever is being assigned for the day is going to be here. Normally it's probably just going to be one thing, but today we're going to do the two. So we're going to have the Cami scavenger hunt, and then your lab safety poster, and then your exit questions, which I have not inserted yet, but I will. So this will be a Google form, and it'll just take you to that form. and be a couple questions. Just answer it honestly to your best ability, and we'll go from there. Okay. So when you guys get through here, if you do end up having any questions or you're not sure where to go or what to do, please let me know. Just send me a message on Canvas. That's the easiest way because that goes directly to my email anyway. So it alerts me in 2 places. Contacting me on Canvas is best, I think. So we'll just stick with that. It's all in one place. So I'm not getting messages in multiple places and losing track of who I have contacted or not. And we should be good. So that is our first day. Welcome back to school. I know it's been a long 6 months. So if you guys need anything at all, please let me know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.